Gavin. So ngayon, pupunta kami sa school ni Gavin. What will you say to the camera?
Hi everyone.
We're going to Letran today
We're going to Letran today.
for the Binyag Arriba. Really? For the
For the
Binyag Arriba.
Binyan or Morinia.
Punta kami ngayon sa Binyag Arriba nila. So, basically ito yung parang rites or parang tradition nila for new students. Ayan. So, new students lang yung pupunta today. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Magbabasaan daw. Pero, ewan, bumabasa din tayo. Okay, so humina ka pa.
Hi guys, welcome to my school.
Look at the camera. Hi guys, welcome to my school. Hi guys, welcome to my school.
Welcome to my school.
Letran.
Letran.
Okay, let's walk. This is the school of Gavin. No, where's teacher? Is that your classmate? Is that your classmate? Oo. Anong pangalan nyo? Ikaw? Kaklase kayo ni Gavin? Oo.
Welcome to my classroom.
Mga new students lang nandito. Anong pangalan mo? Oh, siya. Anong pangalan mo? Oh, say hi to the vlog.
I'm in the line.
Okay. Let's follow the line. Okay lang yan, Gavin. Babasahin din naman kayo mamaya. Come on, go ahead of daddy. Oh, go to your friends, oh. Classmates.
Check E, 1, 2. Check E.
Oh, say hi. Hi to the camera. Come on.
Hi to the camera.
Oh, no, hi to the camera.
Check E, 1, 2.
And great.
Okay, go there. Sit there.
Sound check.
There. Ay,
Ilan?
yung kayo dalawa. Antok na antok ka pa. Nasanay kasi siya sa ano eh, sinasabayan niya kami dati. Sa panggabi.
The mass is over.
We will go to the
We will go to the
Binyag,
Binyag,
Arriba,
Arriba. Hi guys, this is
my school.
my school. We will go to this area.
Are you done eating? Yes or no? Teacher, pwede ba dito ko na buhisan si Gavin sa likod? Okay, wait.
And once again, good morning, everyone! Loud and good morning! Okay, very good. Now, once I say Arriba, you say Arriba louder, okay? Arriba naman! After Arriba naman!
Our
Okay, very good. Good morning, teachers, and welcome to Binyag Arriba.
Airplane game. Okay, ano po ba sa airplane game? Teacher Janaika will tell you the mechanics later. Okay?
Gavin, you're next. Oh, okay. Build the pyramid. Build the pyramid. Four cups. 4 cups. 4. Gavin, 4 cups. 4. Oh. And then 3 cups. 3 cups on top. Okay, 2 cups on top. 2 cups on top. Oh, faster. Okay, 1 at the top. Okay. Okay, clean it up. Clean up. Okay, bagal. Faster, guys. Faster. Gavin, go faster. Okay, go back in. High five. Throw it inside like this. No, the plane. Twin. Around the table. Oh, go back. Nangate. Oh, go back to the line. Going back to the line. Okay, you can do it. Faster. Gavin, faster. Gavin, go. Come on, faster. Go back faster. binyag nila Gavin, binyag Arriba. Babasahin na sila. Nataanuhan na sila ng Dark Souls. Rice Tarnish. Who's the Lord? Soul is with you. Mother of God, pray for us. Tapos na binyagan si Gavin. Where? Sit properly there. Sit down.
As Dominicans at as Letra Knights, you always keep your rosary in your pocket. No? Kami mga Dominicans, mahaba yung rosary namin nakasabit sa aming belt. But for you, we would like you to keep that tradition as Letra Knights, having your rosaries in your pocket. No? Parang protection, no, from evil all the time.
Pages is Angel Luz,
Sila,
Street.
babasahin na sila. Sila Gavin.
Your rosary should be inside your pockets. Yes.
Si Gavin. Oh, pati iyak na. Gavin! So ayan. Gavin, say hi.
Hi to the camera.
Okay, show me your hands. Show your hands. Let me see. Show your hands. Ayan, so natapos na ang kanilang binyag Arriba. Ayan ang Jobos. Nalilinis. Nabasa sila. Binasa sila ng mga kulay. Did you have fun?
Yes.
So in summary, yun ang binyag nila. So, Mass, Rite of Passage. Yung tawag pala doon. Rite of Passage, Ano kayo nung ano, yung Dark Souls na knight? Ginawa kayong squire, tapos magiging crusader kayo ng ano sa future. Payag ka ba na? Magja-job change ka pa. Royal Knight. Guillotine cross. Hindi matanggal yung ibang pula. So, yeah. That's it. So,
Say hi everyone, Gab.
I'm Gavin,
I'm Gavin is
and this is my school,
and this is my school,
Letran.
Letran.
And I am
And I am
a Letranite.
a Letranite.
See you next time.
See you next time. Did you like and subscribe?
Alden pose. Alden, like this.